Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, welcome back with me. My name is Ragil Faribowo, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you about my faculty. Yeah, it is English education. Okay, I want to show you some places or rooms in my faculty. Okay, so the left side of me, you can see that is a bathroom or toilet. Okay, so if you want to take a pee or something like that, you want to wash your nose, you can go here. Okay, and move to here, you can find the room of lecturer. Okay, and then all of our lecturer take a rest here, guys. Okay, sometimes they are taking a rest and eating here or discussing about something here. Okay, we move again. Okay, so as here, that is the room of master lecturer here. Okay, and the side of this, you can see a board. Yeah, this is a whiteboard, but they use this for stick some things like a brochure or paper of information. As you can see, open recruitment, and then here is about the national dictation competition and etc. Okay, and move here, you can find the office of my faculty, yeah, especially English education. And sometimes when we take a projector and then we take a speaker or sound, we take here, guys. Okay, so when you want to take it, don't forget to bring your student identity. Okay, so let's move to my class. Okay, I will show you my class, yeah, in English education B1. Let's go, guys. Okay, so here you will find the room of B14. Yeah, in the English education. This is my class, so let's go inside of my class. Hello, guys. Yeah, here is my class, as you can see, and we also study and learning here together. And then we do a presentation using this projector. Oh my God! Yeah, this is my faculty's projector. Okay, so they are my friends. They get so beautiful and so handsome. Some of them are taking a rest and do something. Okay, so let's move to the second floor, guys. Yeah, the second floor in my faculty. Okay, I will show you what is there. Okay, this is evening, guys. Okay, so it's gonna be so dark, but they have a lot of lamp. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, that is the room of B24. They are learning right now. Okay, so let's move here. I will show you about student learning center. Okay. Yes. So guys, this is the student learning center that we use the room for something, doing reading a book, or we want to find a book. Yeah, okay, and sometimes we do a presentation here with our lecturer. Okay, so this is the second floor. As you can see, this them the view. That's a good view, and there is a yard, the field of my faculty. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Sorry if I have mistakes, and as I say, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.